Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's card making tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make this beautiful and elegant greeting card using the new dies from the Special Moments collection by Marisa Job. To celebrate the launch of this new die collection, Spellbinders has invited me to their blog hop. I'm giving away one $25 Spellbinders gift card to one lucky winner. To be entered in my giveaway, all you have to do is leave me a comment in my blog. You'll find a link to my blog post and Spellbinders supply list in the description area below. You'll also find the giveaway rules in my blog along with giveaway close dates and winner announcement. I wish you good luck in the giveaway and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So the colors that we'll be using for this elegant card are pinks, off-white, and gold, and we're going to be doing our die cutting respectively. We're going to die cut our centerpieces in both gold and off-white because I think it makes a really great combination. That way your gold is not so bright and shiny and kind of like too much out there, and I think that by using the white it does subdue it some, but at the same token you still have that touch of elegance when you use your gold cardstock. For our card base, we're going to use a light pastel pink color cardstock, and we're going to trim it down to 10.5 by 5 1/4. We're going to hold it horizontally against our scoring board, and we are going to score right down the middle, which is 5 1/4, and then fold. We then trim some designer paper to 5 1/8 by 5 1/8, and we're going to use some wet adhesive to apply our frame to the paper. We then use a 1-inch ribbon in off-white and apply it to the front of our card. I like to use fun foam to add dimension to my cards. It's simple to use and very cost effective. And here is just a plain cardstock liner trimmed to 5 1/8 by 5 1/8 for the inside of our card. And we add some more dimension by cutting some fun foam and adding it to the large golden circle. And then we just add some double-sided tape to the smaller golden circle and we'll adhere it on top of the medium-size off-white frame that you see right there. And now we add some dimension to our medium-sized frame by adhering some more fun foam. Now, I'm not an expert on bows, and I did require the help of my Bowdabra to create this bow, and it's so huge. but it looks like it belongs in the back of somebody's hair instead of a card, but I did my best. And if you can create bows, more power to you. So now we whip out our hot glue gun to add our bow and flower embellishments. And for our sentiment, we make a 1-inch banner. And for additional elegance to our card, we add some flat back pearls and some gold sequin. I hope you found this card making tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hop on over to my blog and leave me a comment there so you can enter in my giveaway. And if you just happen to land on this channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. At Decorate Your Life, I focus on card making tutorials, mini album tutorials, and just paper crafting in general. Thank you all so very much for stopping by and watching my videos and subbing to my channels, and thumbs up are appreciated. I'll see y'all again real soon.